Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Swale. I am Academic Quality Coordinator and Upskilling Trainer at School of Management, CMR University. Well, I am here to announce an exciting news which will definitely make sense to all of you. There is a program, dual certification program, which has just got approved from the management of CMR University. What is that program all about? All the details I'll be giving you. Just stay with me. The first program is CAS, Certified Accounting Specialist, and the other program is CTRP, Certified Tax Return Preparer. Well, both these programs are the combo program, will go together. The duration of this program will be 30 hours. And why this program has been approved and what is the intention behind it? That all the companies like Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC, Capgemini, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and many more companies have been asking us that these kind of skilling is definitely required for the students so that what they want should be given to the students. They all come to our campus for the placements and that's what they want from you. Whether you're from BBA, MBA background, BCom, MCom background, or any commerce or management background, all these things will be definitely required for your career. How about with MBA if you are writing CAS and CTRP? These two certifications are not just a normal certificate. The duration is for 30 hours. This is not a certificate, this is a certification program. Now, you might be having a lot of questions in mind. When is it starting? What is the last date? Well, it is starting from 15th of September. Only on Sundays. Every Sunday on 15th September, after that, and so on until the last Sunday of October. Now, the timings will be from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. every Sunday only. And now, you'll be thinking, sir, whether do I have to come to CMR University offline and attend it? No. The mode of that is online on Zoom, and you will be given the recordings of all the videos. In case you miss any, you can see, right? So these things are definitely going to elevate your career and make a huge impact in your life. Now see, all the companies are giving these kind of certifications within the company. Earlier, only IIMs were providing these kind of certifications, but now at CMR University, we have got the thumbs up. And these things, let's make use of it. Well, during our time, these things were not there. But now, since it is here at a very, very, very minimum price, we must take this up. All the details you will find on the screen as well as on the description. To register, either scan the QR code which is there on the screen, and you can also use the link to make the payment. Also, we have planned this program only on weekends. There are a couple of reasons for that. The first reason is the convenience of the students, and the other main reason is that professionals like CA, CS, CWA, and others can avail this opportunity of CPE credits of 30 hours unstructured. They can take the certification and also apply to their CA institution, CWA institution, and get the unstructured credit in their account. Let's elevate our career and become more successful this way. So now I want all of you to join us on this innovative program and embrace your career with us. And for more details, contact on these.